prepare to have your mind completely blown. Python isn't just about text, it's a mathematical superhero. Today, we're unlocking Python's incredible mathematical superpowers. We'll discover how to print numbers without quotes, transform Python into our personal supercalculator, master the absolutely crucial difference between text and numbers that trips up so many beginners, conquer all 4 basic math operations like a champion, and learn to avoid the sneaky quotes trap that stops math cold. This is going to revolutionize how you think about Python. Here comes the big revelation that changes everything. Until now, we've been printing text messages wrapped in quotes. But Python has a secret second identity. It can work with pure numbers that follow completely different rules. Notice something absolutely revolutionary here? No quotes anywhere. When we want Python to display a number, we write it completely naked. No quote wrappers needed. Python instantly recognizes these as numbers, not text, and treats them with mathematical respect. Get ready for pure magic. Python doesn't just display numbers, it can solve entire math problems in the blink of an eye. It calculates the answer first, then shows us the result. We're talking about a built-in mathematical genius. Watch this incredible mathematical wizardry in action. Python sees 5 plus 3, instantly calculates 8, and displays the answer. It sees 10 plus 20, calculates 30 in milliseconds, and shows us the result. Even decimals like 7.5 plus 2.5 become 10.0 instantly. Python is like having a lightning-fast mathematician living in your computer. Here's exactly how Python's mathematical brain works. When it sees print with a math expression, it follows a 2-step process. Step 1. Calculate the math problem and get the answer. Step 2. Display that answer on the screen. It's like having an invisible mathematician doing the work behind the scenes. Python masters all 4 fundamental math operations like a champion. Addition with the plus sign gives us 40. Subtraction with the minus sign gives us 20. Multiplication uses the star symbol, not an X, to give us 24. And division uses the / to give us 4. Python speaks fluent mathematics. Here's your complete mathematical symbol guide. Plus for addition, minus for subtraction, star for multiplication, and / for division. These are the universal symbols that Python understands perfectly. Here's the golden rule that governs everything. Text messages need quotes to tell Python their words. Numbers stand naked without quotes to tell Python their mathematical values. And when we want math to happen, we never use quotes around the entire expression. Look at this critical comparison that separates beginners from pros. With quotes, Python treats everything as text and shows it exactly as written. Without quotes, Python recognizes numbers and math expressions, performs the calculations, and shows us the results. Same content, completely different meaning. Here's the deadliest trap that catches thousands of beginners. The moment you put quotes around a math expression, Python completely ignores the mathematics and treats it as plain text. Print, quote 5 plus 3, quote shows exactly 5 plus 3, not 8. The quotes have turned off Python's mathematical brain. Watch this trap in action. With quotes around our math expressions, Python dutifully displays 5 plus 3 and 10 minus 2 as text, completely ignoring the mathematical meaning. Remove those quotes, and suddenly Python springs into mathematical action, calculating 8 and 8. Quotes are math kryptonite. Quick brain teaser. What appears on screen when we run print with quotes around 2*5? Exactly right. The quotes turn it into text, so we see 2*5, not the calculated answer of 10. Here's a professional strategy that prevents confusion. For now, keep your text and numbers in completely separate print statements. Want to show a message and a number? Use one print for the text message, then another print for the calculated number. Clean, clear, and impossible to mess up. Here's the professional pattern in action. First print statement handles the text message with quotes. Second print statement handles the math calculation without quotes. 2 statements, 2 purposes, 0 confusion. Incredible achievement! You've just unlocked one of programming's most fundamental superpowers. What an absolutely mind-blowing journey into Python mathematics. We discovered that numbers stand proudly without quotes while text needs them, learned that Python calculates math expressions instantly like a digital genius, mastered the 4 essential operation symbols, understood that quotes are mathematical kryptonite that stop all calculations, and adopted the professional strategy of separating text and numbers. Up next is our week summary to celebrate everything we've learned. You've officially become a Python mathematician,